In this video, we are going to implement the if-else statement by using the C# program. So for that, I have created the if-else statement file. In that file, I have created the if-else class. Then I put the if-else class as the startup object in the project. Okay, so let's start the program. So first of all, let's discuss about the if statement. So in this if statements, we are going to check the condition. So in the condition, in case if the condition is true, then we are going to implement the block. I mean, we are going to execute the block. So for example, so here in the if, okay, so in the if, we are going to prepare the condition. That condition should be followed by the compare and logical operators. Okay, I mean that why in the sense, so always compares operators and logical operators, always it returns the boolean value. So that's the reason. So for example, here in the if statement, let me prepare the condition. Let's say 10 greater than 5. Let me prepare the block. Keep in mind, a block is the nothing but a kind of a wrapper which contains the set of statements. So always we are going to prepare the block by using the open flower bracket and close flower bracket. And even we can say this is also, we can say that block. Even class also we can say that block. Okay, but in this example, we are going to implement the block based on the condition. So 10 greater than 5, yes, that's a true, right? So in this true, then we are going to implement this block. Okay, so what a kind of condition I am going to prepare here in the sense, console.writeLine 10 is greater than 5. That's it. And if you see the output, now you see that right statement. Now let's see the another example. So for example, let's say int age is equal to 30. So I'm going to prepare the one condition by using the if age greater than 5. Okay, so now here I'm going to print the message like age is greater than 5. Okay, so now if you see the output, age is greater than 5. Let's see the another example. If age greater than 5, I'm going to use the logical operator, that is the AND operator here. Again, I'm going to say that age greater than 10. Okay, so anyway 30 is greater than 5, age is age greater than 5, this is a true. And again age greater than 5, this is also true, right? True and true, it will returns the true. So in this scenario, I am going to execute the one block. In this block, I am going to prepare the statement like, age is here greater than 5 and 10. If you see the output again, so age is greater than 5 and 10. Okay. If you wanted to implement the OR operator also, you can use that. So I'm going to use the OR operator. Anyway, true or true, it will returns the true only. So condition will be true. So that we are going to implement this block. Now I'm going to prepare. I'm going to execute the one more block. So based on the employee name. So let's say I'm going to take the string employee name is equal to John. Now let me check with the employee name with the John. So here as of now I'm going to use the comparison operator, that is a double equal. So here I'm going to use the John. Okay, so in case of employee name is John, so anyway I have taken the employee name is John only here, so definitely it will give the true only, right? So here I'm going to prepare the multiple statements, that is John is working in Microsoft, John is from UK, and John age is 30. Okay, if you see the output, now you see the all the statements I can see under this wrapper. Here if you see that I'm taking the John, right? So what if I'm going to, if I'm having the Ram instead of the John, so definitely this block it won't be execute because of here employee name is Ram, right? So for example, if you see the output, I didn't see the any message about the John because of employee name is decorated with the Ram. So in this case, what you can do, right? You can prepare the else if statement. So by using the else if, what will be happen, right? Else if also take the condition. If the condition is true, then we are going to execute the block. Okay, so here what happened, at else if I'm going to check with the employee name double equal to, I'm going to say that Ram. Okay, so what will be happen, so in case this block it is, in case this condition is giving the false, immediately C# compiler will check that what is the condition in the else if. Okay, so now here in the else if, I'm going to prepare the condition, I'm going to prepare the statements like this. What I'm doing that, right? Ram is working in Google, Ram is from India and his age is 28 in case of Ram. Okay, so now in the employee name it is decorated with the Ram, so definitely it will be, this block will be executed because of else if. Okay, so now if we see the output, now we see that so Ram is working the Google, Ram is from India, Ram is age is 28. So again, I'm going to make it the, instead of the Ram, I'm going to make the Lakshmi. So again, what will be happen? So this statement, this block will, it won't be execute. Again, this block also it won't be execute because of certain conditions which are in this if and else if, it won't be satisfied the this expression, right? That is the employee name I have decorated with the Lakshmi, right? So now again, I'm going to take the one more else if statement here. So Lakshmi related details are Lakshmi is working from the TCS. She is from India and her age is 26. Okay. So now if you see the output again, now we see the results of the Lakshmi. Okay. Same way if you implement the numeric values, let's say I'm having the one number, can assume I'm taking the number 3 is equal to 3. So if number greater than 5, what happened here, number, actually this is the false, right? Here number is greater than 5. Okay, so else if I'm going to prepare the else if number 3 double equal to 3. So in this case, now what happened, right? So I'm going to say that number is equals to the 3. Now coming to here, I'm going to commentate this code as of now up to come to here. I'm going to comment it and I'm going to commentate this code as well. Okay, as of now. So now coming to this code, remove the name here Lakshmi also. Okay, so now I didn't give the any value to the employee name. I just decorated with the empty value. So in this case, no block will be executed, right? Nothing, no condition is not satisfied. So in this case, we are going to use the else block. So what is the else block exactly? Means if the condition, whatever the condition, not meets the expectations, okay, condition meets the false values. Every condition gives the false value. What will be happen, right? So immediately we are going to implement the else block. In case if all conditions give the false, so then immediately whatever the block which is decorated by the else, then that block will be execute. Okay, so now how we are going to do that, in the sense, now here I'm going to write the else here. So in this else block, I'm going to prepare the one statement like no employee found, please check your input. Now if you see the output, now you see that, right? No employee found, please check your input. And not only on that, so I'm going to give the some XYZ here. So now again also employee name is which is not matched to the any condition, right? So in this case also else block will be execute. You see that no employee found. So in this way we are going to implement the if else statement here. to execute the different blocks.